Welcome to the shop today. I found out this little bike pouch I had when I was a kid, but it's been sitting in my closet for over 12 years. Let's take a look inside. I can't believe what I found. Old wrench, a lot of metal right here. 1932 and 1116. I don't know if it'll fit us, but we'll see. Cheesy little screwdriver. It's probably only worth 50 cents. Maybe a quarter. Philip. Got my old San Francisco knife. Nail clipper's missing, of course. You don't find one of those around here very often. So this is in case you don't get hit on the side of the road. People will notice you, right? And a tip-top tire patch. I think it's still good. Had a glue still soft in there. Might not be much. Those are to help you get the tire off your rim. Another one of those. This is a small little tire gauge, kilograms, pounds, cheesy small. Not sure if it really works. There's another one. That way you can give your fixture flat and then you give your neighbor a flat. There's another one. Straight blade, cheesy. There's a stubby if you ever need a stubby on the side of the road. I'm not sure what that's for yet. We have another Allen wrench, but it's a spade. Or spline. Sorry, spline. This will come handy too. We need those to fix your tire. And then we got small little baby wrench, drop forage, 9 and 8. That's pretty cheesy. I bet I could break that in half. It's more like 2. Well, that's everything out there. Thanks for watching this. Keep your dick in the vice.